Why does the moon seem to have different shapes throughout the month?
Every day, half of the moon is illuminated by the sun.
The side of the moon that is illuminated is always the side facing the sun, and the side that is not illuminated is the side that is facing the opposite direction of the sun.
When the moon is a new moon, the illuminated side of the moon is facing the sun, and the dark side is facing the earth. At this point, you can't see anything.
As the moon moves through the phases, standing in the north, you can start to see parts of the earth because of when the sunlight reflects off the moon's surface. The first phase is called a waxing crescent moon.
As the moon moves further through the orbit, 1/4 of the way, it's called the first quarter, also known as a half moon. Right now, half of the side that we can see is illuminated.
As the moon gets 1/8 farther through its orbit, 3/8 of the way in total, you can see about 3/8 of the moon. This is called a waxing gibbous.
When the moon is halfway through its orbit around the earth, you can see the full moon. You can see the full moon because the half of the moon that is facing the sun is facing the earth also.
Now the cycle will reverse and less of the moon will be visible from Earth. The only difference now is that waxing crescents and gibbous moons are now called waning crescents and gibbous moons, and the first quarter is now called the third quarter.
In conclusion, depending on the position of the moon, we will see the moon in different shapes because we can only see half of the moon.
Only half the moon is ever illuminated by sunlight, making different shapes appear on the moon when seen from Earth.